Okay folks, so I just wanted to do a quick video. I've got a break in between lessons and I want to do a quick video, and I'm probably going to call it the wah you didn't know you had. Okay, and this is going to be all about a cool little detail in Helix, and I think it may be in PodGo too. If this effect is in PodGo, then it should work. I've got a PodGo, but I haven't checked it lately. I'm just going to share my screen and we're going to kind of get into this. What I want to show you here is we have an ordinary wah, right? We've got all these different wah effects. We've got throaty, we've got all these right here. You know, they're stereo, they're all the same, no big deal there. And you get just a general wah effect when you engage that. So I don't know if I'll get, that's the, let's see if we got Okay, so we all know that sound. We all know the wah, and there's all kinds of cool little, you know, tweaks we can do with the teardrop bass cue. We can actually get the cue and change it around if we want to. Okay, so we can change that around. A lot of stuff like that. But what I want to show you, I'm going to disengage this. I'm going to add an effect here that will give us a wah sound. And this is going to be in the filter, if I'm not mistaken. Or am I mistaken? Let's see. Cue filter. This is what we're looking for, okay? So what I want to do is I'm going to actually assign the frequency to expression pedal 1, okay? And it looks like that's going. Now, this is not the wah. This is a filter. So let's see what this sounds like. Okay, so we can affect that filter, change that around. Almost has like a pixelated sound to it. We'll go all the way down almost. It's like an abrupt sound. Now, if we do these other filters, I don't think it'll be as prominent. You can still hear, the higher you go, you can still hear a little bit of that pixelated sound. Okay, and then high pass. Okay, I would probably go with a band pass. And I probably, you know, just to get a different effect. Let's see what it sounds like after the amp. Isn't that cool? Now, maybe one of the other settings would work better with it after the amp. You know, the popular licks and stuff. That's way too loud. Let's get the gain down a little bit. Do a high pass. Oh my goodness. Let's go down. Level maybe. Come down. Put the gain back up. Very, very cool. Now, what would it do after the actual cab, I wonder? Let's put the level back up. Let's go back to the band pass here. Is that the same as this? Yes, after the cab or the amp will get you that sound. Before it will get you this sound. Okay, and that is the cue filter. It's a legacy effect in the Helix and potentially the PodGo as well. And obviously the HX effects and all, HX Stomped and all that. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that was the only one I was going to look at for that kind of sound. Symptomatic, nothing else with the cue. Yeah, it was the cue filter. So definitely check that out, and that'll give you some new sounds and fun stuff to play around with and discovering hopefully a wah that you didn't even know about. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video, and God bless, and always keep creating.